Hey, what's up? Just want to throw up a quick video because the other day I became an Amazon affiliate and I just want to be upfront about it. Basically what that means is when there's a link for Amazon in my description of my videos and you click on that link and you make a purchase, I get a small profit from that purchase. Now, I just started, so I got a lot to figure out. I mean, I'm still not sure if I'm going to do it for long or, we'll see. I got to kind of test the waters. But I came up with this disclosure that I'm going to include in the description of my videos, and I'll put it up right here for right now and read it to you. Some of my videos contain Amazon affiliate links, not sponsored, or it would be clearly mentioned in the video. I only link what I use in the video or think is relevant to each video, and my affiliation doesn't affect my video planning. Being an affiliate is a way for me to monetize my videos to offset my costs and increase my resources to create content. Required text. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Thank you for your support. So, like I said, this is something I'm trying out. I don't plan on getting rich off it. I mean, that's not really the point of making this channel. But there's things I would like to do that I can't afford at the moment. I mean, tools, parts, services I'd like to have in my future videos that being an affiliate may make happen sooner. So, we'll see. I mean, even if I stop being an affiliate, I'm still going to make videos. I mean, this is stuff I'm doing anyways already. So, I'm just videoing it. It slows me down a little bit. It takes a little extra time, but it's not a big deal. I like doing it. Anyways, I'm doing the research, finding the information. I have no problem sharing it. I mean, gasket sizes, stuff like that. Well, basically what I'm trying to say is I'm not making my videos to sell you anything. If I use stuff in my videos and I share it in the description and it's helpful to you, cool. I mean, I strongly suggest you do your homework, shop around, find the best deals. Amazon isn't always the best deals. I mean, some of their stuff, is a little overpriced. I don't even link it through them. I link it through, the original source. There were some lights that I think they're double the cost through Amazon. So I put them through the place that I got them from. I'm like, yeah, it's, But, if you feel like supporting the channel and you want to make a purchase, thank you. If not, cool still. I mean, I'm going to make videos. I got to get back to setting up for my next video. It involves this and these cutoff discs I was playing with earlier. But thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Keep it real. I was just inside trying to come up with the idea for the thumbnail. And I remembered I had this stuff left over from when I cleaned up the workshop. I mean, it's perfect. It's totally clickbait, but it's perfect. Oh yeah. This stuff's left over from the old business my father had. That's perfect.